Hi guys, you're welcome back to another edition. Today, the moment wizkid told fans to pull off their shirts and girls were pulling up too. When wizkid holds a show, it's only fair to have all the headlines tailored to him the morning after. Starboy has become a movement. The Michael Jackson style, where fans faint and collapse at the mere sight of him. During one of his scintillating performances at the Starboy Fest that held last night at Echo Atlantic, wizkid called on his fans to pull off their shirts and wave it in the air, and to the surprise of many, ladies and guys alike abandoned their home training and ripped the shirts off their shoulders. Fans waved their shirts so hard as wizkid kept cheering them on to continue. Watch the video below. Let me know what you think, guys, about this in the comment section.